Right. So it's on order to hide this little dent. If you remember the business card holder we had before, I'm going to stick it here and I'm going to put wagos in there. So if you see this van, don't key it, come and grab a wago. So yeah, and before anyone asks, when I first sent the spec, they had corrected this with a list of generic services, and I was like, no, I want the comedy factor. I want that on there. So it is. And it's there. So yeah, for everyone saying you have to be so serious to run a business, the clients love this. They think it's hysterical. So yeah, keep an eye out for the van, and if you're in a jam, remember to grab your free wagos.